Tuple is basically a fixed length list. It is similar to a list, except tuple is immutable. With tuples, you can organize data together. It is a data type for grouping data. Definition happens in parentheses. Items can have any data type, and there can be any number of items in a tuple. To create a one-element tuple, parentheses is not enough. You need an indication sign, which is a trailing comma. If I remove this trailing comma, you can see it is not a tuple, there is no parentheses. It's just simply a string, Mike. To access an element of a tuple, you need to set the index between brackets. To access the last element of the tuple, use negative indexing. By using a colon, you can take a slice of a tuple. And slicing also works with negative indexes. If you need to go through the elements of a tuple, you can do it with a for-in loop. Tuples are immutable, means you can't change the elements. If I try to change the first item of this tuple to be div, Visual Studio Code immediately helps. It says, person record does not support item assignment. If I run this, I get type error. However, I can change a nested list inside the tuple because list is mutable, and I will change the first item of this list to, for example, 4. So the list itself is at index 3. I will change the first item of the list to be 4 and just print out the person record. As you can see, it is 4 now. So I just changed one item of a list which is in a tuple. In order to get how many elements a tuple has, use the lamp function. So this tuple has 3 elements. To check whether an item exists in a tuple, there is an in keyword for this purpose. If Mike is in the person record, I just print out Mike is in the tuple. You can join 2 tuples together with the addition operator. I will join a tuple to the person record, for example, the gender. So Mike is a man. And this one is a 1 item length tuple, so I need a trailing comma at the end. Man tuple is joined to the person record. That's all for now. I hope I will see you in the next lesson.